Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a script to your chart on TradingView. If you've ever wanted to customize your TradingView charts with your own indicator or strategy, adding a script is a quick and easy way to do it. Scripts in TradingView are usually written in PineScript, TradingView's own programming language, and they allow you to overlay custom signals, draw tools, or run backtests directly on your chart. This is a powerful feature, especially for traders looking to automate certain processes or fine-tune their trading strategies. Today, we'll keep it simple and walk through the exact process so you can see your script running in just a minute. Start with your chart open on TradingView. Look toward the bottom right corner of the interface and click the mountain icon. This icon opens the area where you work with scripts. The mountain icon may look different depending on the version you're using, but it's typically the place where you access your scripts and indicators. If your layout is slightly different, make sure you're on a standard chart view and that nothing is collapsed or minimized. Once that panel is visible, you're in the right place to proceed. Inside this area, you can create or paste your script. If you already have code ready, simply copy it from your source and paste it into the editor. If you're writing something new, you can type it directly here. TradingView's PineScript editor is designed to help you write, debug, and test your script with ease. Keep in mind that TradingView scripts are sensitive to formatting and syntax, so make sure the code is complete and valid before adding it to your chart. It's a good idea to check for any syntax errors or missing elements, as TradingView won't apply the script if there are issues. If you got the script from someone else, only use it if you trust the source. Scripts can reference symbol data, draw objects, or execute strategy logic, so it's really important to glance through the code to understand what it does before adding it to your chart. For instance, some scripts might execute trades automatically, while others may just show you visual indicators like buy or sell signals. Always be cautious with scripts, especially if you're using them for the first time. After pasting your script, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the code and apply it to the current chart. If it's an indicator, you'll see it overlaid on the price action or in a separate pane below the chart. Indicators might include things like moving averages, RSI, or custom signals. If it's a strategy, you'll notice performance metrics like profit and loss, as well as trade markers showing entry and exit points. For example, you might see arrows on your chart where the script identified a buy or sell opportunity. If you don't see anything right away, don't panic. Try zooming out a bit to get a broader view, or check whether the script is designed for a different time frame. For example, the script may be set for 5-minute candles, but you're viewing daily candles. It's also possible that the script requires certain settings to be adjusted, like specific input parameters or a different chart scale. Many scripts will allow you to customize these settings to match your preferences and trading style. You can open the script settings to tweak inputs like lengths, colors, and styles so the display matches your preferences. For example, if the script is plotting signals or indicators, you might want to change the color of the lines or adjust the length of a moving average to better suit your trading strategy. Customization is key to making sure the script fits your exact needs. And that's it. You've successfully added a script to your TradingView chart. From here, you can keep the script active, edit the code to refine it, or remove it if you just wanted a quick test. For those of you experimenting, a good practice is to make small changes to the script and re-add or update it to see the impact. For example, if you're testing a new strategy, try tweaking some of the parameters and observe how it affects your results. This is a great way to fine-tune your scripts without overwhelming yourself with big changes all at once. Clearly, this simple workflow helps you build and use custom tools without ever leaving your chart. Whether you're creating your own indicators or exploring someone else's strategy, you can see everything directly on your chart, saving time and improving your analysis. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what your scripts can do on TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more TradingView tips and tutorials. Happy trading!